Hey everyone, I'm Jayson Clarit, user interface designer for web and mobile. In this video I'm going to show you where you can download 100% free design resources. This tool helps me design faster. Now let's start. First from my list is DrawKit. All icons and illustrations on DrawKit are available for your own commercial and non-commercial use, and within your print and digital products except in the cases mentioned in the What is Not Allowed section. You can check their license agreement at this link. You can download their free handmade, high-quality illustration kits and icons. They have also premium packages if you want to buy from their library, but for me their free version is enough to get started in designing. Next is Illustration Kit, designed by Humaaans and DrawKit. You can use all of their illustrations on the illustration kit in your projects and projects for your clients. No attribution is required, although it's appreciated. You can also download their Figma plugin so that you can easily use their illustrations without living Figma. Next is Reshot. This website gives you free icons, illustrations, and photos at no cost. No attribution, no worries. Next is Humaaans, made by Pablo Stanley. Customizable illustrations and make a scene whatever you like. As they say, they're like Legos made out of flesh and vectors, so you must check their site and enjoy designing. Lastly, unDraw. Open source illustrations that you can use in any of your projects, whether it's personal or commercial. You can set any color as your primary, and if you are happy with it, you can download any illustrations in SVG and PNG format. And that's all. I hope this video helps you create more and more designs. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and hit also the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. If you want to suggest anything for the channel, go ahead and put that in the comment section and I will read all your comments. Thanks and happy designing, everyone.